Okay guys, this is the last day of the week, your last assignment. My suggestion to you guys is to get it done today. Get all your homework in. I'll get all your grades in, and you'll have 2 days totally off this weekend. It'd be worth it. You guys need a little break. It's been a little stressful, I know. This is very easy, and you're only going to have a few to do for homework. So here we go. We're going to write the equation given the graph, which is very easy. So if you have, the best way to do it here on number 1, I just draw a line at the top and here and that'll give you your center. Your center is 0, 2. And then you count how many blocks are going to the right and left, because this one's a horizontal. Okay, and the ones to the right from the center is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So A is 7 and B is 2. We don't really need to find C for these, so that you're off the hook on finding C, and you just put them in your equation. So it would be x squared, because it's a 0, over, since it's horizontal, the big one squared, so 49, plus y minus 2 squared over 4 equals 1. So now I'm going to change pen color just so that we can see this a little bit easier. So that's going to be this way. And then if I count the blocks here, it looks like this is the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's the center. And 2 on either side. So we have the same thing. H, K, A, and B. And this one is vertical. Don't forget to put things where they go. You're having trouble with that, some of you. So it's minus 3, 1 is your center. And your A is 6, and your B is 2. So we have x plus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared. But since it's vertical, the big number squared goes under the y, and the little number squared goes under the x. So that is your final answer. 2 squared is 4, 6 squared is 36. It's vertical, so it goes under there. Guys, it doesn't take you long to put these into Desmos to see if it looks just like the one in the graph, and check your work. You should get perfect scores on these to help your grades. Some of you are getting a couple wrong every time, and there's no excuse for that. The last 2 is the same thing. I'm going to change now to green. So we have green going this way, green going this way, and we have H, K, A, and B. So again, this is a vertical, and we've got that B is 2 and A is 4. Let me pull that up. Yeah. And we have that H is 4 and K is -3. So we just put it in the equation. X minus 4 squared plus y plus 3 squared, and that equals 1. And then we decide what goes where. Since it's vertical, the big number, the 16, also goes under the y, and the little number, 2 squared, goes under the x. And for the last one, and this took me no time at all to do, so you can do 10 in no time at all. Get some good points here. So we have H, K, A, and B. So H is -2, K is a 3, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is 3. Same thing, x plus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 1. Notice I'm writing out the parentheses first, and then I'm deciding where the A and the B goes to make myself think, because I get messed up with these sometimes too. So this is horizontal, so the big guy, 4 squared, goes under here, and the little guy goes under here, 9, which is 3 squared. I hope that helps. Email me with questions or with any suggestions that I can do better on these videos. But I think overall you guys are doing great. Just keep the homework going so you don't get stressed out. Talk to you later. If you guys, any of you want to meet by Zoom as a group, we can arrange that starting next week. Monday, we'll probably have a review of ellipses. Tuesday, I'll be sending you each a quiz. And by the way, they'll all be different, so you won't have the same quiz. And that's all you'll have to do on Monday and Tuesday. I'll send you the answers and everything on Monday for the review, so make sure you understand how to do all of them. And if we need to delay the quiz till Wednesday, we can do that too. And all we have left is hyperbolas, and those are a little more confusing, but I mean, I'll teach it to you step by step, so you should be fine. But if you guys want to get together as a group just to lay eyes on each other, we can do that for about 5 minutes, and then you guys can get to work on your work. Talk to you later. I hope you're doing well. Miss you guys.